Hi everyone, it's Jason here, just running a quick little Canberra College Wellbeing video, I guess, on exams and exam stress. We've talked a bit about stress management in a previous session and having big exams coming up, ASTs, AST trials, end of term exams. Thought it'd be a good time to give a quick kind of couple of reminders, I guess, or tips about how to manage that exam stress. As I said, AST's just about to happen, end of term exams, and whether we admit it or not, everybody feels stressed or anxious at some point at some level about exams. So how do we manage that effectively? Some of the things are obvious. Some of these will probably just be little reminders for you guys, but essentially I want you to go away keeping these things in mind. First of all, eating properly, okay? Obviously, our food is a huge part of our preparation. Fatty foods, sugary foods make us feel heavy and sluggish, so make sure you eat a healthy dinner. Make sure you have a good breakfast on the day. Sleep, okay? I've talked in a whole session about sleep. Make sure your bed is just for sleep. It's not a desk, that you have good sleep habits, you wind down before bed, and you get enough sleep. A couple of little distraction strategies can be really handy. They can help you manage stressful or anxious feelings. Things like chewing gum, maybe sipping on ice water, and even bringing along a simple little kind of fidget toy like an elastic band or some blue tack, something that's a bit kind of sensory that helps ground you and keep you calm and relaxed. Try and avoid comparisons with your mates. Often those conversations of, I didn't even study or whatever, they're such a wind up and they make people more stressed. Everyone kind of approaches their revision or their preparation in different ways. So just make sure you've chosen the method that's going to work for you and try and avoid those conversations that aren't going to be helpful. Finally, relaxation techniques. If you're getting stressed during the exam, you'll probably notice that your breathing becomes quick and shallow. If you feel like you're starting to lose it a little bit, you need to stop for a moment, sit back, and first of all, control your breathing. Deep breathe in and out through the nose, counting to 5 each way. Alternatively, you could try a bit of the progressive muscle relaxation technique that I've mentioned a couple of times in the past. Tense up your toes, for example, or any other muscle group. Tense as tight as you can for about 10 seconds and then release and really focus in on the feeling of your muscles relaxing. So spending even just a minute or so on something like this could make you more focused, more relaxed, more productive for the next hour or so of the exam time. So it is worth that little bit of an investment just to calm yourself and get back into the zone. And at the end of it, you can relax, reward yourself. You've worked hard. Even if you haven't had the best preparation, you've given it your best shot in the exam. So you do need to reward yourself and treat yourself afterwards. And that's it from me. All the best. Thanks.